Today we are going to fix the thermal printer of an ECG machine. The problem is that the print is coming out very light. This problem can occur due to three reasons. First, thermal paper. Second, feed roller. And third, thermal printer head. So let's check it one by one. To check this thermal paper, we need a needle and a matchbox. Hit the needle and try to write something on this thermal paper. If we get a clear and deep writing, then the paper is good. But here we are not getting a deep and clear writing, which means the paper is bad and needs to be replaced. Now let's check this feed roller. Put a piece of electrical tape on this print roller and give a print. If it prints clear and dark in the area where the tape was, it means that feed roller is eroded and gives poor pressure to the print head. In that case, replace this feed roller or put the electrical tape on the entire roller. But we don't see any change, which means the roller is good. Now let's try to clean the print head with the help of cotton and isopropyl alcohol. If the print starts coming properly, then it is fine. Otherwise, the print head should be replaced. After cleaning the head and changing the paper, you will notice that the print is now coming very deep and clear.